YouTube for this? Oh, we're rolling. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell stuff to ugly people using YouTube ads. Now, I know what you're thinking, ew, why would I want to sell stuff to ugly people? But bear with me because there's a good reason. See, ugly people sometimes have money too, and they can pay you. Now, obviously, when they give you money, you'll want to disinfect it before you touch it, but ultimately, ugly people money is actually worth just as much as good-looking people money. Think about it. Ugly people sometimes have ugly people jobs. They get ugly people welfare. Some of them run their own ugly businesses. They might even have a big old pile of money sitting around from an ugly people divorce. So the ugly people demographic is actually a goldmine of opportunity for a lot of business owners. Now let me show you how to advertise to them. Now, YouTube ads does not give you the option to target ugly people directly. Like, there's no ugly people setting on the ads dashboard, but you can target them indirectly. One way is through interest-based targeting. So first you have to ask yourself, what do ugly people like? Now, the obvious answer is ugly people like Insane Clown Posse. People who like Insane Clown Posse call themselves juggalos. And juggalos love Faygo. Now, I'm not 100% sure on the psychology here, but I suspect that it's because the name Faygo sounds a lot like feo. And feo is the Spanish word for ugly. This is probably because of the influence of a particular subsegment of the ugly people demographic, which are ugly Latinos. Which, by the way, is actually the wrong terminology. See, normal people from Latin America are called either Latino or Latina, depending on their gender. But the ugly ones are called Latinx. Okay, so that's some super valuable research, but how do we actually use it in our ads? Now, what we can do here is create a custom interest segment and target people who are interested in Insane Clown Posse, Faygo, and let's throw in Latinx in there too for good measure. That'll definitely reach our target audience. And then if we want to narrow it down further, like maybe we don't want to reach all ugly people, maybe we just want certain subgroups of ugly people, then we can set our demographic targeting. So for example, we can target young ugly people. We put like 18 to 34. Or we could target old ugly people. We could target male ugly people or female ugly people. We can even target rich ugly people or poor ugly people in the household income targeting here. And let's say that we want like top 50% of ugly people and we don't want any unknown income ugly people. And we'll save that as an audience to use with our ads. Now, this is not the only way to target ugly people with YouTube ads. You could also create a lookalike audience. So if you know a lot of ugly people and you have their email addresses, you can load them all into a custom audience. You'd put them into a file and upload here. And then you can create a lookalike audience, which is basically telling the ad platform's AI system, find me a bunch more people who are similar to this list of ugly people I've just uploaded, and then show my ads to them. This method might be a little safer, just in case in the future one or two good-looking people start liking Insane Clown Posse. I mean, that's highly unlikely, but anything's possible. Okay, so we've got the audience targeting covered. Now you're probably wondering, what about the creative? How do I create ad videos that appeal to my ugly target audience? That's a great question. There's kind of two schools of thought on this, and I'm going to go over both. Basically, you can make your ad either relatable or aspirational. Relatable means that you show ugly people in the ads, so your ugly audience says, hey, those ugly people look just like me. And they feel included. The other approach is aspirational. Here, you show good-looking people in your ad because these are the people your ugly audience probably wants to be like, and they make the product look better. Now, which one works better? I don't know. I haven't tested it, so it's up to you. But there is a third approach. Instead of focusing so much on the people in the ad, you can focus on the message. Just go directly to talking about how you can help them. Either to get something they desire, get rid of something that's bothering them, or avoid some future problem that they're afraid of. This is what I do in all of my ads, and it works amazingly well. And that was the only serious suggestion in this whole video, by the way. Now, obviously I made this video as a joke, but I hope that you can still see some real-world applications and why YouTube is such an incredible ad platform where you can reach super specific groups of people that you want to sell to. Now, I'm not going to pitch you on my YouTube ad services here like I normally would, because at this point you probably think I'm nuts, but if you look around my channel, you'll find a lot of serious videos showing you the best ways to use YouTube ads to get in front of your ideal clients, generate leads, and make sales. So subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you in the next one.